The symptoms of allergies can overlap with other problems such as colds and flu. So this means it's not always easy to determine what exactly is causing your issues. A few key features of allergies to look out for are symptoms that appear at particular times of the year. So if you're sensitive to pollen, it's usually in the summer months that symptoms become most problematic. If symptoms develop in particular situations, this also suggests allergies. For example, if you're in a pet shop and you start to get itchy eyes, itchy skin around about this time, it could suggest that animal dander is the problem. Particular symptoms such as itchy eyes and itchy skin, we don't really get these with colds or flu, so this is a good indication that allergies are your issue. When suffering from a runny nose and it's caused by allergies, the discharge tends to be clear and thin, whereas if it's a cold, it's quite thick and congested. So that's something to be aware of. And also finally, continuous sneezing is a really big issue for allergy sufferers as the body tries to dispel the allergen. So it's really important to be aware of these things. If we know exactly what is causing our symptoms, then we're more able to address it quickly and effectively. So I just thought this would be a helpful little tip for you going forward.